Got him.
Yeah, you did.
You finally put that keychain on there?
No.
He matching me now.
That's the old one. I still got the new one somewhere.
You got the black one up on there. I got the.
Oh, the other one's in the CRV.
Oh.
Dickhead.
Hey. Look at that.
Good old dickhead.
Fire, dude. Freaking fire. I'm on like one long loop right now recording. We're at 5 minutes so far.
Yep. That's what wrong. This ain't gonna stay here. I gotta put the gears back together.
Gotta get those.
Waiting on airlift because they on that boo.
They on the beat.
They on that boo. Call them up, they be like, bro, chill, you gotta wait. No, I'm trying to monster truck now, right, dude? Know what I'm saying? I'm trying to lift up over trucks on Cable Road and go blowing black smoke past them.
That's what we do. We blow black smoke, as you can tell.
I'm ready to go over speed bumps back in the UNOH fucking territory.
You still ain't gonna be able to get over him. Oh shoot. The
Rock 22.
The Rock 22. Interior is coming together.
Quit lying.
Man, what you mean quit lying?
What do you mean? What are you doing?
I needed that light so I can see.
What are you doing? You stupid.
We needed the light.
Snap. Get him some milk. Give me that milk.
Pinkies up. Pinkies up.
Oh yeah, that's been out here for a little while.
You can taste it, can't you?
I can't taste it. Tastes like cottage cheese up in a blender.
That's nasty.
I like it. Like it a lot.
You have any more of this blue wire?
Blue wire.
Right here.
Don't think I do, honestly.
Well,
I have black wire.
Well, I can see why you don't have enough, because you done used it all in one roll.
Where?
Do you not see all that blue wire?
Yeah. All my speakers are rewired.
Come on, cuz. Well, I figured that out. Figured out real quick.
Where the blue wire went?
Yep. There ain't no more blue wire left. Well, I need to finish up organizing my trunk. My hatch. I keep saying trunk. It's the trunk hatch. It's the trunk hatch. The trunk hatch. Okay, you take the bottle. You put the bottle up there. You take this bad boy and you just kind of like.
What are you doing?
And then a spacer. You take these spacers and then you put them in there. And then they magically get put on Brandon's car here in about 5 seconds.
I'm gonna need some end space before we can clean it.
I'm getting ready to put one inch spacer all the way around. Mark Camber, gang, golf. Mark Camber. I'm just kidding. Still gotta clean. All the stuff needs to go in the trash, because that be on the do for sure. Hey, we going to Walmart tonight?
You know it.
I need to go to Walmart later on.
I can't wait.
This right here saves lives. This glove right here saves lives when you wrap a vehicle. Trust me. use the pink glove. Don't use the pink glove. It's pretty much game over. All right. Just letting you know. Yeah. Tickle. We're gonna tickle. Okay, you take the glove. Well, this you put that in there. Take this thing. This was a what was that? The what you working on, Brandon? Huh?
Wiring up the speaker amp.
The speaker.
Yep.
Okay. Then look at all that. Shoot. Fire, dude.
Did open up a lot of space over there, but that's all of them.
Yeah, it did open up a lot of space up there. Well, it looks like we're gonna have to redo the engine bay. Redo, dude. Dang, you going with the air suspension?
No, that's just for safety purposes.
No, yeah. For safety. I'm about to relocate the battery all the way over there.
Static is light.
What air tank? Static.
Air tank over there in the corner. That hard spray tank.
Yeah. We just use this to pump up this to make noise. Okay. Look at them toes. Anyone want some food? What we got? JDM.
So, for the 10mm socket.
What for? Don't be looking for the 10mm socket.
I'll be spending my whole life.
I know. I am cleaning out back of my trunk hatch. Trunk hatch. Trunk hatch. Dang, fire, dude. It's a little bit messy back there, though. That wrap is getting ready to come off, though, for sure. Can't have that wrap in there no more. It's already falling apart.
Why you be lying?
What do you mean? Why you be lying?
Found it.
Dude, I told you it was right there. What you cleaning up, player?
Oh, the WD-40 I sprayed on it?
Why ain't you tell me I could have got the thing for you? Dang. You got that big bottle of that anti-seize lubricant. What else we got? Anybody seen that boy interior though? The interior is fire. Fire, dude. Take a seat in Brandon's car. Woo!
About to fire that some sucker up.
Woo! Ding, ding, ding. Gang, 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 gang.
Get the nitrous on them toes.
They're about to hit the nitrous on everybody.
On everybody. Get the nitrous on them people.
Look at that Recaro seat though. Hinder. We got to act like Tristan. Da-da-ding, da-da-ding, ding, da-da-ding, da-da-ding, ding, da-da-ding. Hey, bro, did you hear that pop? Did you hear that pop? I put it in second gear and I let off the clutch.
Was it loud, bro? Was it loud?
Was it loud? Got him. Got him.
Brady was like, that sounds like shit. I think he hurt his feelings.
He probably did. And then you got Logan be like, what up, no?
I did that in that video of the CRV.
Did you?
Yeah.
What up, though? Am I cool? Am I cool yet?
Window.
Yeah. That boy got some carbon fiber attachments and all that good stuff. Look at that. Look at that. Look at those switches, though. Don't be hating off the switch. Skate. What air fresheners? He said mix them. If you mix them, they taste better. Make sure you taste them. What we got?
Too long on the ground. What we got?
How we doing it? Check that out. Check that out. Don't be hating.
How we checking out?
This.
Two of them? Oh, you
Got him.
Yeah, you did.
Bearing seal for my axle.
The bearing seal?
Yep. Don't hate.
Appreciate it.
Exactly. Don't hate off my bearing seal. I'm just kidding, my axle seal.
Oh, yeah.
You see, you take this bad boy and then you put it where the other one used to be, which was over there. And that's how that works. And then you take this and then you put it over there. That works. Hey, you need some lug nuts?
Yeah.
What? I just asked if you needed a lug
How's it
nut.
go? That dude's like, So today we're gonna install these speakers. So let's get to it. Oh yeah.
Let's get to it. Oh yeah. You won't do it?
I watched like 10 episodes of that dude. Interesting about it.
Welcome back to another Locals vlog. Oh yeah. We're about to get oh shoot. I never even made an intro. Like, oh yeah. Don't be hating, know what I'm saying?
You have to waste all this water. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Don't be hating. Oh yeah. I bet none of y'all about to enjoy this time lapse that's about to happen. Bet. Oh yeah. I'll see you in a few. Oh yeah. I'm still recording. Get in the car.
I've been browsing, inspecting, X-Men comics, you know I collected the pins in my pocket, I must protect them. My ergonomic keyboard never leaves me bored, shopping online for deals on survivable media. I had it Wikipedia, I memorize Holy Grail really well, I can recite it right now, I have UROTFLOL, I got a business doing websites, friends, people code, who do they call? I do HTML for them all, even made a whole page for my doll. Yo, I got myself a fanny pack, they were having a sale down at the Gap, spend my nights with a bull walk on the lap, pop, pop, but no one sees me, get freaky. I'm nerdy and guillotine, wider than sour cream. I was in a beat club.
You be wider than sour cream, dude.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Said what? That was hilarious. Big boy got his own music out here stunting on.